Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by understanding Pyro as an application and damage amplifier for reactions. Learn that Pyro applies a burning status that reacts with Hydro, Cryo, Electro, and Dendro. Apply Pyro first, and then trigger a reaction to multiply damage. Use normal chains, charge strikes, and plunges to reliably apply Pyro to multiple targets. Keep an eye on enemy resistances and shields that reduce Pyro effectiveness. Positioning matters when you want consistent Pyro application across small enemy groups. Focus on chaining abilities to apply Pyro before reaction triggers. Trigger Vaporize and Melt after Pyro for large reaction multipliers and quicker kills. Use charged attacks and skill combos to stack Pyro instances on multiple targets. Combine Pyro with Electro for overloaded explosions that clear shields and disrupt enemies. Time your burst to hit, while Pyro application is fresh for maximum reaction scaling. Practice input timing to ensure Pyro lands before the reaction is executed by teammates. Equip a 2-piece Crimson Witch for Pyro DMG plus 15% to amplify output. Choose weapons that raise ATK, crit rate, or crit DMG depending on your main stat priorities. Build around 2 Pyro characters to unlock Fervent Flame's Resonance for a party ATK increase of 25%. Pair Pyro DPS with Hydro for Vaporize, Cryo for Melt, or Electro for overloaded synergy. Balance energy recharge and elemental skill cooldowns to ensure consistent Pyro uptime in any fight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.